We are excited to present the world's premiere of the prototype of a new SUV model for the Honda Zero series. This is the Honda Zero Alva. Here, featuring a sleek and sophisticated design unique to Honda Zero series and original proportion that express the dynamic nature of SUVs. The Honda Zero Alva will blend beautifully with both urban and natural environments and supporting people's life in every situation. By applying packaging design based on the theme approach, we achieve styling with a low vehicle height without compromising our ground clearance and creating a theme cabin that offers a spacious and comfortable space. We are planning to begin global sale of Honda Alva mainly in Japan and India in 2027. For our customers in Japan, we will offer these 3 Honda Zero series models, including Honda Zero Alva, before the end of the fiscal year ending March 2028. Please look forward to it.
As showcased here today, Honda is striving to continue offering new values through a variety of mobility products and services. One of the key elements in creating such new value is the enhanced application of intelligent. As one of the core intelligent technologies, Honda is strengthening the development of our next generation ADAS. When the driver sets the destination on the navigation system, our ADAS will enable the vehicle to take charge of driving, such as controlling the accelerator, steering wheel, to achieve a comfortable ride to the destination. It will give the driver a peace of mind as if an experienced driver is in charge of driving operations, which will provide confidence even on unfamiliar roads and significantly reduce the burden of driving. Starting around 2027, we will apply this technology not only to our direct EVs, but to hybrid models so that the greatest number of customers can use our technology. We are currently testing our next generation ADAS on public roads in the US and making steady progress. Please look forward to the market introduction. So far, I have mainly introduced motorcycles and automobile products and technologies. Honda is a comprehensive mobility company that offers a wide range of mobility products for land, sea, and skies, including power products such as the tillers and outboard motors, as well as Honda Jet displayed here. Honda is offering a variety of mobility products that will help people expand their life's potential, including next-generation mobility products such as the micro-mobility vehicles that will make last-mile mobility more convenient, and eVTOLs that will make mobility in the skies more accessible for more people. Honda will continue taking on challenges to spread the joy and freedom of mobility to more people, and now Honda has expanded its challenges to outer space. The rocket that you see over there is the actual rocket that we use for the launch and landing test we conducted in Hokkaido in June of this year. Honda is striving to develop environmentally responsible, sustainable rockets, which will enable the reuse of the rocket body as well as the use of the renewable fuel. In the testing in June, we were able to apply precise control of the rocket's attitude and speed from the takeoff to landing and achieve exact rocket behaviors that we planned. This success was achieved by the collective strength of Honda's technologies, including control technologies amassed through the automated driving and aircraft development. And more than anything, it is the result of passion of each and every associate at the spot who kept taking on challenges with determination. Our rocket development has just taken its first step. No matter what difficulties lies ahead, I want to keep on taking on challenges without giving up and then overcoming them. The power of dreams, how we move you. Honda will never stop taking on new challenges. I believe that each and every Honda associate taking on such challenges with dreams and passion will carve out the future of Honda and create value of Honda can create. We hope many people will visit the Honda booth and feel the future envisioned by Honda through a wide variety of mobility products and technologies we are exhibiting here. Thank you so much for coming.
Wise men say
あの時世界を見ていたから
見事なスタートでした。
あの時 人のためを追求したから。
世界のベーシック化ということでいきたい。
あの時他がやらないことに挑んできたから。届けられた喜びがある。夢を形にできたら、さらに高い夢を掲げてまた走る。挑戦の連続こそホンダなんだ。人の可能性を広げるモビリティで驚きと感動を作る。ホンダは止まらない。アイデアを尽くして、技術を尽くして、人の心を動かし続ける。
The power of dreams.
Für mehr Videos einfach abonnieren.